Okay, today we're going to install this monitoring system. Alright, this is going to monitor our electricity usage. And I'm using this in conjunction with solar panels so I can see how much energy I'm using when I'm running my solar panels. But you can use this just for track your energy consumption for your different products in your house, or appliances I should say, in your house. Okay, so we're going to hook it up to the electrical box today. So first off, let's take a look at it. Okay, I have an instruction manual, of course, and then here we are. Okay, these go around the wires that come in to the house. Okay. Now this one has comes with two of them, and that's what you want, one for each wire. Okay. You have three big wires coming in the panel, which I'll show you. One is neutral, you don't want to hook to that one. You want to hook to the two hot ones. They're each 120 volts. So the 120 and 120 gives you 240. And the main thing is wattage. You want to see what kind of wattage we're going to have. So these go in. Alright. It comes with cable. Now you can hook this to the internet also. This is for hooking it to a computer when you download everything. Now this part goes on your wall next to the electrical box. So these plug into here. Two places. You have to put batteries in here. There's no batteries. I don't know if it just came with batteries. Nope, no batteries. So we're going to put a couple batteries in here. And we're going to have to get out of the electrical box with these two cords right here. Okay, so I can put the cover back on the electrical box. I'll probably drill a little hole in the side of the somewhere to get that, and then this is going to sit on the wall. Okay, and then this is our monitoring system. This is all wireless Wi-Fi, and what we're going to do is I'll be able to, from anywhere in the house or around the house, I'll be able to tell what my electrical is doing remotely with this remote control. Okay, of course this is going to take batteries too. Okay. So now we just have to simply install this in the box. This is just going to go wrap around the wire, that's pretty straightforward. And then this end is going to come down out of the box, and you want this to be mounted on the, of course, the outside of the electrical box. And okay, so we have a good bit of wire here. Alright. So let's see the instructions. This is pretty simple. I'm sure programming might take a little bit. Let's see. Actually, on the back of the box, it shows you the steps. You locate the two wires on your electrical box, and you put your clamps, like I just showed you, on. Then you plug this piece right here, like I said, into the clamps into that, and then they show you how to sync it. And then of course you have this monitor to read everything. So alright, let's go open up the electrical panel and let's install this thing. Okay, here's our electrical panel. Now, I would suggest you get a licensed electrician to hook up your meter if you're not comfortable with this. Now you don't want to touch any metal at all coming in here. This is the main breaker. Now our power comes in from down here. At the bottom it's underground electrical. It comes up, goes around, and comes in here. Now there's 3 wires. One wire is a neutral. It's right here. And it hooks to this bar. Right here. Now the other 2 are your hots. That's 110, rather 120 and 120. If you touch any metal in this box, you can get electrocuted. Now see these 2 screws back here? They're hot. If you touch that, you will get shocked. Of course, we're full of breakers. The panel's full of breakers. So, and also at the bottom, if you touch any of these, that tab right there, or the one above it, you'll get electrocuted. So, now, I gotta put the clips around this, the hot, this one right here is hot, and this one right here. Should be no problem getting around this one. It says a lot of room here. This one has a lot of wires in the way. I'm gonna have to move some of these wires, and I could probably go down and connect it down here. One of these, trace it out and see which one it is. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can move these wires around and get it around this one, and of course this one is just gonna clamp around it. And we're gonna get back. Okay, we have them installed and it's working. Couldn't hook them here, there's not enough room. But the power, like I said, comes in from the bottom. So we hooked them here and here. And we just dropped it down there. Now the panel doesn't fit real tight, which is a plus. So I can take the wires and I'm gonna Velcro it to the panel. Okay, I'm gonna put the panel back on and put the Velcro on it. And it's working good. So let me put the panel back on. Okay, we Velcroed the this little piece here to the transmitter, to the cover. Take the cover off, you just gotta pull the Velcros off. And there's a space, there's enough space here. Now I need to put some more screws in, but that's enough space not to smash the wires. And to sync everything, you press a button on the back. It says link. Okay, you hold the link button down and you press this button. And on the very bottom corner, you see that look like a Wi-Fi connection type thing. Okay, when that quits blinking and it gets solid like that, then you're in sync. Okay. So let's see. Right now we at 1,143 kilowatts. That's what we're using. So it works. It does a whole bunch of other things. Just follow the instructions to see what the other things you might be interested in. I'm just interested in watts. That's how many watts we're using. 1,143 watts, or 4.3 kilowatts. Okay, now see it drop down. Refrigerator probably kicked off. We have 2 refrigerators on this thing, and when the refrigerator kicks off, the wattage will drop down. So that's actually 756 watts. Okay, worked good. Oh, another thing, I went about 100 foot from the house, and it works. A little bit more than 100 foot, it quit working. But I mounted that on the outside the panel, not on the inside. So I can get a little further. So I can go pretty close to 100 foot, and it still works. Okay, how we do it here. House monitor.